Computing versus ICT. Some parents remember ICT at school, which was mostly learning to use software like Word or PowerPoint. While those skills are still useful, computing today goes much deeper. Computing is about understanding how technology works, programming, algorithms, and systems. A good comparison is this. ICT is learning how to drive a car, while computing is learning how the engine works and how to build a car. Both have value. But computing gives students the tools to understand and shape the digital world, not just use it. So, computing in the lower school focuses on 5 big concepts or ideas: algorithms, events, loops, variables, and debugging. These concepts begin in reception and grow in complexity and are taught in a variety of ways all the way through Form 4.